Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a room tour at the University of Hertfordshire. Just to give you some background information, I'm in a townhouse, so I have a shared bathroom, but I have a shared bathroom with my friend, luckily, who I went with. And yeah, this is my room tour. So I'm going to be starting at the door. So on the door I just have all my coats. I have these door hooks that I got from Primark for like £1.50, and yeah, that's the door, and it also has like information on the back. And next to my door I have my hoodie and a towel and a bag. I just hang my towels up on here, and then I've just got this on here for some reason because it doesn't fit on there. But yeah, you get 2 door hooks on your wall if you have a townhouse at Hertfordshire. Onto my wall, because it's like in the shot, I've got these like dots that I've done in my haul in my previous video. If you didn't watch that, go check it out. But yeah, I've got these, about 100 of them on the wall. I think they look really nice and they match my room, because my room is grey and white. You have like a light switch and a radiator, and like the whole floor is carpeted. Over onto the wardrobe, which is here. I'll show you inside. You get a long length mirror. If I open it up. It's a bit messy at the moment, but ignore that. So in here at the top I have a blanket, then I have a random box and a grey box here which has my gym stuff in, and just some bags, an iron and a tripod up there. This is my jeans, cubby hole, tops, and then washing stuff, cleaning, and down here I just have going out tops and a few Asda bags. And then here I just have all my clothes, my work clothes. I have like jumpers, all that stuff, and then I have an iron board which hangs on here handily. That's a word, I don't know. Down here I have pillows. I also have pans, shoes and hangers hidden all behind that mess, and an airer as well. I'll keep my airer in there. Next I have these boxes which I got from IKEA. They were like £2.75 each, and they come in all different colours, but I thought these were really good to like have here, in like, because I think they look nicer than just putting stuff and have it out. So got just like pyjamas, underwear, socks, what's it called, hair curlers and hair stuff in one of them, hair straighteners. And now I'm going to go onto my bed, which is here. So this actually has quite, I've got my toilet rolls under here and just some storage stuff. Also I've got under my bed a shoebox and basket for just like random stuff. But yeah, I got this, what's it called, a duvet cover from Asda, which is in my haul. I use a double size, but this is a small double, but it, as you can see, it fits fine. It just hangs over a bit. But I've just got my pillows from home. I also bought my other duvet set, but that's currently in the wash. And then you get a little shelf, and I've just put my frame from home. I've got a fruit bowl with some bananas in, a random silver vase thing at the back, which is just for decor, and this light up box which just says Ellie's room, because I didn't know what else to put on there. But yeah, I just charged my phone and have the light box plugged in there. I also have my long pillow, so it makes it look more puffier, and just 2 pillows on that. Then you get some side shelves. I just keep like health bits and makeup bits in this one, food and a water bottle or makeup bags. Then here you have the window, which looks like that. And yeah, it's nice and grey, so it matches. Now onto my desk. I can't really get all of it in, but you get a yellow chair. Well, I do because I'm in like the yellow, whatever you like to call it. And you get given a bin. I just keep 4 pairs of shoes here, my laptop case, on my wash bag, and my washing basket. So I'm going to try and get a whole shot of my desk. So my desk looks like that. So starting here, I have on my shelves, I have Film Studies A-level, just in case that helps me, because I'm doing film and TV production as a course. I've got some random bits, notepads. I've got all my, it's a bit messy, apologies, but I've got all my hair products up here, shampoos, fake tan, that kind of stuff. I've got some tissues here, and then I've got the E sign which lights up, and all my perfumes. And then I have my alcohol, so I have vodka, Malibu apple sours, and a champagne. These are some playing cards. Got this from IKEA, got some straws. In the back I've got lemonade and some glasses. So on my desk I have my fairy lights, which I bought from home, which are from IKEA. I also have this light that's already installed, and like the light switch is there. So I have this fireplace on at the moment because I thought it looked cute. But I've got my necklace. I hang my necklace on my computer because I find it just easier. I have a camera lens there, which is meant to be under my bed, my laptop, keys, sticky notes, and then I have my mirror here. I have my makeup, which is just the same from home. Got my palettes. This is all for like hairbrushes and just a random hairband and pens and that. I've got a jewellery dish and an air freshener. This is from Tiger. Then I have my phone, which charges wirelessly. I have a calendar of Ariana Grande. This heart thing, which is from home. I've got some notices up there. And then in my drawers I have my makeup, tissues, eyelashes, palettes, deodorant, facial spray. I'm not going to go for everything because you can see it. So in this drawer I have my makeup wipes, baby wipes, hand wipes, hair bands, hair grips, scrunchies, stuff like that, scissors, tweezers, earbuds, cotton wool, see there. And then the last drawer I have pens at the back, pencil case, stationery basically, pins for my notice board, sellotape, ruler, stuff like that. And yeah, I will show you the bathroom quickly, just to show you what it's like. So this is like the main room. There's 2 people the opposite side who share that bathroom. Oh, focus please. The light automatically comes on. But yeah, I've got a grey mat there. This is what it looks like. And yeah, you can't like move or adjust the shower, which is so annoying. But yeah, and you get a light switch up here, which you can turn on and turn off. But yeah, and what's this? retractable clothes, it says on there. You can see that. But yeah, that is the room tour. And you look it from inside, like that. But yeah, this is my room tour. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!